Alhamdulillah. Now, since we have actually get the nomenclature, or we have gotten the naming and the rules guiding how to name this, note that I told you this is one first structure. This is the second structure. Why this is the what? Third structure. Are we together? Are we good to go? In Yoruba, structure structure structure. Now note that is this to my general listeners and my honorable general viewers and my respective ones. Now this, I told you the first rule, identify this if it's actually a phenol or not. The viewers, the listeners, is this a phenol or what? It is phenol. Are we together? Now note, since why do we call it phenol? Or actually you have understand why do we call it phenol. Check. We are seeing what here? We are seeing OH here. Attaching directly to this particular benzene. And that is the rule for we to know if a compound is actually phenol or not. That is that. Don't just leave this one. I still see you are still battling on how to, you are still coming on that. But let's firstly do this first. In our own dialect languages, eléyìí báwo la ṣe máa kéde phenol ni? Ẹ wò ó pọ̀ mélé, ẹ wà pẹ̀lú. Eléyìí OH hydroxy group yìí ó join eléyìí as in ó parapọ̀ pọ̀ mọ́ benzene ní kíni ní gèrègè without any breakage or bias or barrier. Sorry. Now note, since we have known that this is phenol, let's quickly name this. The second thing is that you have to start your counting. You have to start your counting from OH hydroxy group. You can actually start counting like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is wrong. You have to count from where the father's name is. Where is the father's name? Phenol. You have to start counting from there, which is 1. This is carbon number 1. This will now be 2. This will be what? 3. This will be 4. This will be carbon number 5. This will be carbon number 6. Are we together? Note that this is 1, 2, 3. Carbon number 3. Carbon number 3 should be 4, 5, 6. The second thing is that, let's see, how many substituents are we having? One substituent. And what is that substituent? You are thinking of what is this going to be? The substituent, I told you that the substituent might be halogen. So, and I couldn't mention another one. It can also be alkyl group. When I say alkyl group, I mean CH3, C2H5, C3H7, and so on. This is deducted from CH4. This is methyl or methyl. Then we remove one hydrogen, which is methyl. R, that is the symbol. But methyl, 1 carbon with 3 hydrogen atoms. This is 2 carbon, 8, with how many hydrogen atoms? 5. Ethyl, YN. Then this is C3H7. It's supposed to be C3H8, propane, but we remove one. When you are removing one, we classify that into alkyl group under aliphatic hydrocarbon. So alkyl group can actually be attached to this as a substitute when we are naming aromatic. It is not only halogen, like bromine, chlorine, iodine. So another branches might also be alkyl group from aliphatic family. Are we together? So this thing that you're actually seeing, it is what? It is alkyl group from aliphatic hydrocarbon. Láti ara alkyl ló ti wá, láti agbẹ̀dẹ straight chain organic chemistry. And note, bó ṣe wá kíní carbon ibi èyí ẹyọkan yìí, carbon ẹyọkan níbo ló lọ attach mo rí carbon tó wà ní. Are we together? So carbon ẹyọkan yẹn meaning pé nínú èwo ló wà ní, it signifies that it is methyl, not methyl, not methane, methyl. Methane is CH4, methyl. Are we together? The same thing applicable to it. But they can draw it in 2 ways. They can actually put this, that you will know that it is methyl, sorry. Or they can try to erase this and do it like this. We still have that. It's a scope. They can make it like this under aliphatic hydrocarbon. This is propane. Or if I want to make it propene, it will be how many hydrogen? 7 instead of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will erase that. This is propene. C3H7. Are we together? This is propene. But if I want to draw it without doing like this, I want to draw it like this. I can actually say this 1, 2, 3. I can do like this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is also propene, but the drawing are different. That's what they do here. But this is how many carbon? I told you that this point is 1 carbon. They just look like this. Are we together? So, that is that under that. I hope I'm communicating. That is that under that. Now note, let's try and name this. Since we have known that this is methyl.